how to turn off or on interesting clips notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click apps. Click hub and then click history lines and go to settings, then go to notifications, scroll all the way down until you find here this one, interesting clips, and here you can turn it off or on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.